The Electro mouse provides real-time feedback which aids in data visualization for the blind and visually impaired. It is connected to the electrotactile circuit and the computer. When the mouse is moved and the cursor touches the on-screen graphic, certain nodes in the electrode pad will activate accordingly. Participants were given ample time in training, allowing them to adjust to the device.
Yes, I could feel it here.
Mm-hmm.
I could feel it there. I'm back on the
Yeah, can you go around the square? Like trace the square, try and follow
moving the
mouse. Mm-hmm. So now you're outside the square. It's just
there.
yeah.
There.
Mm-hmm.
There.
Mm-hmm.
Looks like I'm outside.
Yeah, so you're in the top, so you'd want to go down either like towards the left or the right.
I guess like yeah, it's just hard for me to even like really gauge
Okay.
like what direction. Like I feel the pulse, but like it doesn't feel like it changes enough to me like
I see,
to follow, if that makes sense. Like
I see. What you'd want to do is you'd want to go to the right first. Mm-hmm.
I'm really trying to follow it this time.
Yeah, you're doing great.
Mm-hmm. There.
Mm-hmm. So do you feel it like it's kind of like on the top side?
Yeah.
So what you'd want is to basically move up, right? Yeah.
Gotcha.
Mm-hmm.
It actually works, I think, a little better for me to use my my middle finger.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
After training, participants were able to follow the on-screen graphic using the electrotactile sensation on the mouse. While most of the participants traced the graphs accurately, some of them could not identify the sample correctly. Trends were also added to see how they would perform with graphs that were not part of the training section. Please note that these videos show 4 times the actual speed in the usability study.
I'd say like it reminds me of drawing, like we have to stay in the lines. And that's obviously something that is really hard to accomplish, you know, as a blind person. Yeah.
And I can see where it would be useful if I was going back to school and I had to do graphs or something like that. I would definitely use your tactile graphs a lot. I like those. But for me, I probably wouldn't, not to say that it's bad. I'm just saying that I probably wouldn't. But I definitely think it's a good start. Probably the worst example, but I like a key. I like to know what I'm following. So a key is really, and I don't care if it's a braille key or an audio key that I'd be following from the computer screen, but it's a key. I need a plan. I need this is this, and this line represents this. I need that. That's what I would say.
Yeah, I think it was pretty easy to tell the feeling. If you could change the rate for different stuff, that might be interesting. And like we said with the circle, it might be better for those old people if it had a bigger space. One of the things they wanted was, what if you have a crossing graph? Right? So you have a sine wave and a line. Can you tell where they cross? Because that's one of the math questions: is where they cross the x-axis, where they cross another graph. Can you tell us where that is? And I think they have trouble with this right now.
Right.
There's no difference in vibration.
Yeah. Okay.